What if the reality we perceive was partially fabricated by artificial intelligence? Imagine watching a video of a renowned personality saying something they never actually said, or a historical event unfolding differently than it did. This isn't a far-off science fiction concept, it's a reality.
So the video you saw earlier was created just by leveraging this platform right here called the Invid AI. It's an amazing platform right that you could just simply go on to leveraging to create cool and amazing content, and I'm going to walk you through how you could do just that right here in this particular video. So all you actually need to do first of all is to come onto this platform called the invideo.io. If you come onto this domain, you can see the Invid AI option right here, where you could go on to creating YouTube video right there, or you could do use the YouTube video editor, the slideshow maker, AI talking avatars, AI script generator, AI text to video, and a lot more other features right there are available with the Invid AI. You could also go on to checking out the Invid Studio right now, where you could go on to create an intro, outro, YouTube ads, and a lot more other cool stuff right there. And you can actually see some cool stuff right there with the Invid Studio. But in today's video, we'll be utilizing the Invid AI. So if you do go on to signing up for Invid AI by clicking on AI sign up, provide your basic details, and you should be brought to a page such as this once you successfully sign up. So if you do come right here, you want to click on create AI video. Now once you do click on that, guys, you want to go on to selecting a topic for your video right now. You can go on to selecting any topic of your choice right there. Supposing I want to just simply go on to selecting a topic such as how to make money online. If I do put in something like this, how to make money online, I'm just going to go on to selecting the workflow. Maybe I want this for a YouTube explainer video. I'm going to select that right here. I'm just going to give this title again. So once you do put in a text such as this right here, you can actually go on to selecting the amount of minutes you want for your video. So supposing I want a 7-minute video or a 10-minute video, select any one of your choice right now. So I'm going to leave this for maybe 7 minutes right here. You can actually go on to filling out other details right here. You can see right here for the background music, you can actually go on to selecting a kind of theme, maybe an adventure kind of theme. Select that right there. You can actually go on to fixing in the settings for the gender you want your voiceover to be in. You can actually go on to selecting the voice style. If you want an American voice, a Californian accent, or a Southern accent, or any kind of accent right there. So select that of your choice right there. So once you're actually done with this, click on continue. As you can see right here, it says create a 7 minutes. It went on to editing the prompt, which says create a 7-minute YouTube video about how to make money online. Make the background music adventure. And you can actually see how cool that actually is. Or you could just simply go on to clicking on generate right now for your video generation process to actually begin. And this particular section can take up to 3,600 words in terms of your prompt that you do insert into this particular AI tool. You can actually come right here, click on recent event videos, and you just want to go on to giving it the recent event right now. But basically, guys, the way I actually created the video which you saw earlier was just by going on to online and getting an article right here about YouTube. And you can see right here, this article is on the approach for a responsible AI innovation. What I did was to copy the link address to this page right now. If you do copy the link address, head back to this platform. You just need to go on to paste in that particular link right here in this section. So if I do paste in the link, as you can see right now, the link has actually been pasted right here, and you could just simply go on to maybe heading back to this article. I'm just going to copy this in this section right now. If I do copy this, I'm going to head back to that platform, which is the Invid AI, and paste this as a title. So once this has been pasted as a title, you can actually go on to utilizing any settings to get as a gender or select a gender or any voice style of that you want. You can add subtitles if you want to, and I'm just going to be using iStock normally right here. So once you are done, click on continue right now, and you can then just simply go on to saying that it went on to editing the prompt right here. As you can see, the prompt actually says create a video about recent event, responsible AI innovation, search the news, and also check this platform right here, which is the link that I actually posted right there. And if I do click on generate a video right now, as you can see, the video generation is actually in progress. It's actually going to go on to analyzing the prompt I actually gave it right now, and after analyzing, it's going to go on to thinking After the thinking process has actually been done, it will actually help me generate a title right now. As you can see right here, it's going to go on to generating a title for me for this particular article. You can see right here that it has actually searched through this YouTube responsible AI innovation, which is this article right now. You can also see right here it summarized the article, and you can actually do see how cool that actually is. He went on to getting articles also that it also summarized right there, and you can see right now it's actually going to go on to preparing some cool stuff right there. As you can see, this is the title right here, which says AI innovation YouTube responsible approach, which is exactly kind of the same title with this right there, but you can actually go on to selecting how you want your video to be. Maybe the target audience, if you're targeting tech enthusiasts or YouTube creators, select that. Maybe if you're targeting if you want the video to be kind of minimalistic, modern, or professional or crisp, you want to select the one that's suitable to you and the platform where you want to use this video on. So I'm going to leave this on YouTube right here and click on continue right now, and you can see right here that the generation of the video is actually in progress. So all you need to do right now is to wait until this percentage actually gets up to 100%, and your video will be generated by doing so right now. As you can see, it's generating the script for the video right now, so you just need to be patient a little. That's why I'm going to pause the video until this has been generated. So guys, if you do take a look at this right here, you can see right here that the video has actually been generated. You can just simply click on this play icon to go on to downloading or previewing that particular video right there. You could come onto this section right here that says give me a command to edit the video. Supposing you don't like a scene, you can just simply go on to typing in a simple command right there to edit that particular scene. It could tell you to remove the scene or to change the third scene or something like that right there. You can actually ask it to reduce the music right there in the background. You can ask it to increase the volume of the music, change the background music, and do some cool stuff. As you can see right here, these are actually examples right here that says delete the second scene, is not really relevant, make this scene half as long, is not worthy, change the current stock to a video drone shot from a forest. So you can just simply give it any kind of simple prompt and actually change a scene in the video, then click on generate, and that will be generated right there. So once you are done, you could come right here, click on export video. You'll be shown these options right here, and depending on the account that you did sign up for, as you can see right here, these are actually for royalty free, these are actually for the paid plan right there. So you need to upgrade your plan to go on to utilizing the AI without watermark or downloading the video without watermark. So I'm just going to select stock watermark because I'm using the free version. Now for you to actually go on to selecting Invid AI branding, to use no branding, you actually need to upgrade to paid plan. But to actually go on with the normal, you can just simply download that for free and select any version of video resolution of your choice. But you can't actually select the 4K because you're using the free version. Click on continue. The video will be rendered or exported, and you can then just simply download that on your device and use that for any purpose of your choice. So you can actually see how cool this actually is. So supposing you want to just simply know about the pricing plans of this AI tool, just simply go on to clicking on pricing, and it's actually going to go on to loading up and take you to this page right here where you can see your AI co-pilot for video creation is actually available to you right now with the Invid AI. You can see right here that with the Invid AI right now, you do get 10 minutes of content creation with AI generation per week right now. That is for actually the free account. You can actually see right here that iStock footages are not actually free. You get 10 gig of storage, 4 exports per week with Invid logo, and 2.5 million plus standard media. But for the paid plan right here, which is the plus plan, which goes for $20 a month, and the maximum plan, which goes for $48 a month, you can also go on to seeing some of the features right there available for each plan. You could go on to comparing the features right there by coming onto this section, and you can see some comparison between both features right there, and go on to selecting the one that is suitable for you for the purpose which you intend on using, and just simply leverage that right there to create some cool and quality content with the help of this platform called Invid AI. So this is a cool video right here that you can actually go on to utilizing to create some cool content. And if this video did add any form of value to you, why not just simply hit the like button to the video. Make sure you're going on to subscribing to my channel, and your notification bell is always turned on all to get alerted whenever I do release content that could help you go on to exploring the AI world and also make money online. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, and goodbye.